ಭಾಷೆಗೆ ತಪ್ಪುವರಾಯ ಗಂಡನ್ ಕಂಡನಾಡು ಕುಂದು ಕೊಂಡನಾಡು ಕುಡಾದ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಉತ್ತರ ಚದುಸಮುದ್ರಾಧಿಪತಿ ಗಜವೇಟ್ಟை கண்டருளி அழும் குழவிக்கு அருள் சுரக்கும் தாய்போல் காத்து வள்ளுவன் தந்த முப்பால் மொழியும் முழுதறிந்து இனிது ஆளும் ராஜாதி ராஜன் ராஜ பரமேஸ்வர ராஜ கம்பீர ராஜ மார்த்தாண்ட ராஜ கோலாகல ஸ்ரீ முத்து திருமலை நாயக்கர் ஐயன்
Ministers, Chief of Staff, Commanders, and my beloved subjects. The great skill and handiwork of countless sculptors, the fine art of great artists, and the loyal labor of thousands of artisans have all fused together for the creation of this magnificent palace. And at last, Madurai is to have a palace worthy of its history. That day, 7 years ago, I said to you, my dear subjects, let us bring out the hidden light in all its glory. Let us renovate the ancient beauty of this city of Madurai. Sculptors and artists, let all your skill create poetry here. Let all your crafts shine in glory here. The palace has risen, created by the devoted hands of artists, translating my dreams into this reality of art and grandeur. What do I not owe to them?
One great attribute of the Tamil kings of yore was their passionate love for sculptural art. One day, the king was watching the visions of his imagination taking shape through the chisels of the sculptors and the skill of the artisans. His consorts, Devi Rudra and Devi Thori, were with him.
My sweet queens, Rudra and Thori, let us go up there.
And these pillars, how broad they are, as broad as our kings to be.
Yonder will be our private apartments. And do you know, my queens, I propose to name this place where we stand as Sorgavasa.
An excellent and appropriate name, my lord.
Long live, O victorious king.
What news do you bring, soldier?
The king of Mysore is marching with his army towards Madurai. His men will have approached Dindigal by dusk tomorrow.
Is that so? soldiers don their armor. Let the drums of war be sounded.
River Vaigai glows with the soft light of dawn, heralding yet another day in the city of Madurai. King Tirumalai and his queens have come to worship at the temple of goddess Meenakshi, as is their wont.